Reconnect with your love of driving. The 2016 Nissan Altima. Choose from either the 4-cylinder 182 horsepower engine that gives more than just a spirited performance, or the 3.5-liter 270 horsepower V6 engine that treats you to sports car performance while still maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Each of these exciting options is paired with an Xtronic continuously variable transmission. Altima's interior has been refreshed with soft touch materials throughout, contrasting color schemes, and a redesigned center console where you can control a number of available infotainment features. Like every Nissan vehicle, the redesigned Altima comes equipped with a suite of standard safety, driving, and convenience features designed to inspire confidence behind the wheel and help make every ride better, safer, and more enjoyable. The 2016 Nissan Altima. Accelerate your pulse.